In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Nespresso Inissia for the first time or after a long period of non-use. First, remove the water tank. Then rinse the water tank. And fill the water tank with fresh water up. Plug the cable into the socket. Press any button, espresso or lungo, to activate the machine. The lights will blink until the machine reaches the required temperature. Heating time can go up to 25 seconds. Once it reaches the temperature, the lights will stop blinking. Place a container or mug under the coffee outlet. Recommended size 1 liter. Then press the lungo button to rinse the machine. You need to repeat 3 times. The process is completed. Now your coffee machine is ready for use. Now we will make the first coffee. Fill the water tank with fresh water. Plug the cable into the socket. Press any button, espresso or lungo, to activate the machine. The lights will blink until the machine reaches the required temperature. Heating time can go up to 25 seconds. Once it reaches the temperature, the lights will stop blinking. Lift the lever completely and insert your Nespresso capsule. Then close the lever. Press the espresso or the lungo button to start. The espresso button is for 40 milliliters of drink and the lungo is for 110 milliliters of drink. Your first coffee is ready. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.